only takes one way.
2. Alright, different spot to usual. We're out here, we're already out on the water. We just did our quick burnout. You might have seen that already. We got 2 boats today out in Dad's tinny. Dad's out in his brand new boat. Well, not brand new, but new to him. Pot on the back. We just got a couple of squid. We're out in 12 metres. We'll see how we go. Look at the squid here.
Get a squid you got.
That's what just went for this.
I'll get him on a squid.
Oh, you got to stay a lot of put a squid in.
We'll do it. This is a good one. I'll let him eat it. There you go. Got him. Oh, Chris! How bad did you get him? Oh, man.
What in the fuck
Oh, Echo in the boat as well.
Okay. I don't know.
He's got massive cuttlefish.
Oh, dude. Get a net on him. Oh, he spat it.
Oh.
Squid on the jig head. How's that? Squid on the jig head. Don't bite me. Can't bite me without a head, can you, mate?
A leather jacket.
A leather jacket. Kane, your favourite?
Dude, that's a treat. They're a good
You want
tasting fish. Yes, please.
Those are really cool.
She's my.
Oh, Ella's gonna get so angry. Oh. Get him in, man. Oh, dude.
I can't.
Dude.
I got all the ink out of it.
Costa! We got ourselves some squid. We were getting absolutely annihilated by them out in 12 metres. We've come back in, wind picked up a bit, and we're in a bit shallower, and we'll see how we go. Got a few squid so far. Boys are out in the small tinny now, and we're out in the medium tinny. Let's go.
I need. Mine felt weird as well.
I reckon it's leathery.
Whiting, big whiting. Get that in.
Oh. That's a good one. Stay.
Say never stay.
How's that? Is that a jig head that had squid on it? My. Oh my lordy lord. Stay. Jesus. Enough?
Dog.
It's coming out. That's how the
Oh, a spotty one.
A bit small.
Yeah. Oh, just take it.
Better. Nice size. What is it? What else is it? Just one.
Sorry.
It's got me out of Count us down, Ella.
1, 2, 3.
2.
That's not right, is it?
What not to
I don't know what
do?
anyone's worried about. Only takes one way.
Might as well go for a swim when you get back, boys. Might as well go for a swim, you're that wet.
Lost till I was west. Now I'm in the clouds, come down when I run out of jet fuel. But I never run out of jet fuel. Well, I'm gonna be here for a while, longer than I did expect to.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, he's big. Alright, anyway, we've got a stingray at our feet right now. We're doing our cleaning portion of the catch, cook and clean. Currently cleaning the squid. It's atrocious. I tried ripping the head off way too quick to feed this stingray. That's alright, we'll get our cleaning done and then you'll see us cooking it up very shortly. Alright, Kano loves himself a leather jacket, so you get yourself a cleaning of a leather jacket. Not a usual fish I would eat, but Kane does them up alright. Alright, let this man show you what to do.
They stink. Very stinky fish. Just the guts.
That guy was caught on a jig head with a bit of squid on it. That combo will never let you down.
Just behind the spike. It's down.
Head straight off.
Then like in here, you get like just in either side, and then
Easy peel right there.
just clean the rest of it up. Get rid of all this shit in there, and then
I'll go get you
Cook
another
it.
one, mate. They wouldn't normally be beheaded, but that head was bait earlier, so we'll see how this one goes.
you just got nothing to grip onto. Like, you don't have the head to grip on.
Don't need it.
Oh, perfect. This is gonna be the fun part.
Oh. Not ideal, but oh, get the sand all over it. Now, that one's an alright fillet. That one might as well be bait. Now, I wouldn't normally suggest washing them off, but when you're filleting on a beach, I would rather slightly wet fish than having sand all through it. One whiting, nice fillets. Just a quick one today, 2 little boats. We had the big boat earlier, but that's the haul. Couple bits of bait, couple bits of food. We've just been dropping some crab nets out in the little tinny. How's this one? Hold him up.
Yeah, do it down, yeah.
Where's the sun?
There you go. Get a bit of black and white. That's nice chicken legs there.
Alright, we're just eating. The fire's cranking. We're about to drop the small boat in. Time to get some big boats back out there. Let's go.
Look at the stars. Just dragging the boat.
Yeah, let me get the balloons.
Are they not in the front still?
No, I pocketed them and I don't know where they went.
Fish and meat only.
Rock. 10-pound line. Tie together. That goes to
This is going to be one for
The
the archives.
ocean!
This is going to be one for the archives.
Ocean.
no.
Yeah.
Where's the hook? Where's the hook? Cost pick up
Where
the hook.
is the hook?
I don't know where the hook is.
Where
Go
is the hook?
Step on
With
it.
the balloons.
Where
With the balloons.
is the hook?
Your hand.
Just put
All right.
like copyright music
Hook.
over this.
Line. Line goes to rock. Rock, new sinker. Sinker gets snapped off when shark attack. Hook, catch. Balloon, wire trace. Balloon, keep hook above water.
Me and Orson go boating.
Baiting process, we're going squid head.
Should I tie a line around this to keep it on the hook?
No,
Okay.
you don't need to. We just had steak night, now we're putting squid heads out there. Luke's got the circle, wire trace. See how we go. To the tinny. Alright,
This is the weight. This is the balloon.
Kane, at least
This
get
is
at
the
least
cane.
Kane, get your torch on
And
us
this
when
is
we're
the
exiting.
rod.
As long as she's pointing it somewhat in the right direction, we're good. When you turn your light on, right? Or if you want to keep it on the whole time, that's fine.
Yeah.
When you flash it, bang, 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 bang,
Yeah.
we'll stop. Alright? If we have any
Give me
issues,
a little bit of time leeway though.
yeah. If we have any issues out there,
Flashers.
we'll be flashing. If
There's
we
spare
flash-
balloons out there as well.
I know there's
so-
spare. I got spare balloons in my pocket. If anything happens when we're out there, we'll flash the light. If we're flashing the light, someone needs to put the boat on the trailer, get it in the water, and Chris is coming out to save us.
Okay.
All right.
Do you trust Chris right now?
Now who else?
I can drive the boat.
Let me get the
Bullshit.
This is the plan of attack. We're about to get in the tinny, punch it out. We'll see how we go.
The balloon dropped out.
I've got a slingshot, eh?
Ellie, you better have good footage.
Oh, I do.
He's got a fish!
Into the abyss.
I'm gonna have no line left.
Nah, you'll be fine when you catch one.
Just gotta lock it.
Yeah, I'll bet you now.
We are catching a shark. Well, at least Kane is.
It's the idea. You're still 100 meters off the beach, mate. Keep going. Beach it, you idiot. Oh, bro, look at all the bait jumping out.
Oh, the garfish!
Oh,
Oh, my torch!
oh no.
Someone needs to pick up my torch. It's underneath the boat.
You can't drop the penny and pick it up.
Shut your mouth, wench! They just dropped your bait out!
I don't know if it went.
Perfect.
Right.
Bait is dropped. 30-minute video of what? The land?
Nothing to see here.
We got it out there. Little tinny goes hard. Captain Costa almost sunk us, but
That's cut.
we made it. See how it goes. That's the ship we're dealing with right now. We got an extinguisher. We got two-stroke. We got fuel.
It's silicon. No.
Nah, it's fun. It's not. Ugh. Bung. We'll be sweet for another 5 trips. All right, it's a bit windy at the moment. It's the next day. We're about to cook up some of the squid. Simple, salt, pepper, and I'll just turn this into a bunch of squid rings. Alright. That is my plate of squid, all cut up, ready to get fried. A bunch of squid rings for us.
that good? Yeah, that's fine. I'll do that one, that's a bit thicker. Yeah, they're all good, they're all good. Yeah, no, class. Oh, I'll do that one a little bit more as well.
One of these. You like that, James?
Yeah, it's fine.
Go and you bought that and you took it out of the tone. Took it out of the and now you're gonna shit it out.
Yeah, kill an animal just to shit it out your eye. Bang. Squid all cooked.
So right now we're doing a cook up of the leather jackets we caught today and yesterday. Just salt, pepper, and a couple herbs, and then whack it on the coals on the fire, wrap it up. Bob's your uncle.
Are you gonna wrap them up one by one?
Yeah, I'll wrap one up and then wrap another up.
Bring the whole ocean with you.
It's gonna burn up anyways. After that went somewhere else. Same with that. Now, just a little parcel to fold over, go under, and then just fold those ends in, just like that, just like that, and then you flip on the fire quite easy. Right, so leather jacket are quite a sweet fish, tastes very nice, similar to flounder I want to say, don't have much of a fishy taste at all, and it's very nice chewing.
Sitting here, sipping beer.
Cut. No cut.
Costa, where's your tongs at?
Somewhere.
No, that's fine.
You're supposed to say that you're putting them straight on the coals.
I'm putting them on the coals, guys.
I think you.
This is terrible, Kate.
So, 2 minutes each side, quick, hot coals, so don't need long. That's me, please.
Beautiful.
Ooh. Is it cooked?
A little bit longer. Yeah, they're done.
Oh, yummy.
So done.
Yeah? If they're done, you might want to pull the other ones off.
Don't put that in, Austin. It fell straight out my mouth. Ella, stop laughing.
Oh.
You didn't ask, did you?
Oh, that's enough, Chris. Beautiful.
Someone else should be doing the taste test. I cooked it.
You get one taste test, someone else gets another taste test.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's good fish. Awesome.
Oh, take this, mate. I'm gonna hate it. I don't like fish. Ooh. 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 That's pretty good. I don't know if he cooked it right, but that's pretty yummy.
Just chatting
Considering I wouldn't want to catch a leather jacket at all, it's pretty yummy. Alright, just cooked, fishing's all done, cooking's all done. We're done for the video. See you guys next time.